I'm Earl Stewart. I welcome you to Earl Stewart on Cars. How to buy, lease, maintain, or repair your car without being ripped off by a car dealer.
I've been in the market for a used car. I've been waiting for the prices to come down. So now I've got 192,000 miles on my 2010 Genesis. Should I just keep waiting, or is it time to pull the trigger? I'm hoping I'm getting sticker shock on used cars.
Well, you know, they're coming down much slower than new car prices are. And the reason is a real shortage of used cars because of the lease situation. The leases dropped way off, and there are not a lot of lease comebacks, which were a major source of cars for dealers. So I think you have to look at buying a car costs from two standpoints. One is you're depriving yourself of something you want and need. So I would say shop around carefully, and you can find yourself a good buy on a used car. I'd look at Consumer Reports. I'd find a good car, based on safety and reliability, economy, and shop around. And I think you get yourself a good buy. Used cars depreciate anyway less than new cars in normal times. If you can remember back when times were normal, I always recommended that a used car is a much better value than a new car. So I would say yes. I would say shop around carefully and find a car that not only you like but Consumer Reports like, and go ahead and make the purchase and take your time. 2 or 3 weeks serious shopping, you can probably find a good buy. Hi, this is Earl Stewart. Thank you for watching this video. If you would like to be notified of new videos that we post to our YouTube channel, simply click on the subscribe button and the bell icon in the lower right-hand side of the screen.